Hello everyone, this is another post-pandemic traveler video, and today I'm at Wattamolla Beach in the mid-south coast, the beginning of the mid-south coast of New South Wales. It's about a 30-minute drive from Bundeena in the National Park. It's a really beautiful spot. As you can see, there's this amazing clear water beach, beautiful white sand, and this little quaint walk that gets you from the car park down to the beach. There's an emergency telephone located in the picnic area, which is back up the stairs and just to the right. In case, of an emergency or something, you can call for some help for either you or somebody else off the rock. So as you can see, the water's really beautiful and clear, and I have to walk through this to get over there. Whoop. Made it. So as you can see behind me, we're at the coast. The water here isn't too wavy, so not too dangerous, but as you can see, there are no lifeguards, there are no yellow flags, which in Australia is what you're meant to swim between, so the lifeguards watch you and can pull you out of the water if you have any issues. So when I first got here, I actually parked the car just up behind the tree line, and if you walk, you end up walking from the car park down to this path, but the water here is a little bit deeper, and we brought skis and stuff like that, so we decided to walk back up, go left towards the toilet block and picnic area, and then walk all the way behind those tree line, and you come down this stairway where I showed you earlier. And as you can see behind me, this is Wattamolla Rock, and people climb over the fence over there and they jump into the water. It's a bit of a high drop, I'd say probably 3 seconds, something like that. But as you can see, the water splashing down kind of breaks the water and makes it easier for you to jump in and not get so hurt. It looks like the seawater inlet goes pretty far into the national park, all the way down here. Might be a nice place for you to bring some sort of pool floaties or maybe a canoe or something and go for a bit of a row. How's the water? Not too cold? No, that's good. Have you been here before? No. It's my first time as well. You thinking about jumping off the rock? No. I might start off the smaller one and then we'll see how we go. Yeah, from the top? Yeah. Whoa. Big. Alright everyone, so I'm at the top of Wattamolla Cliff. You're not really meant to be up here. There's a sign saying not to come up here and jumping at your own risk because there are submerged objects and people have died. I jumped from down on that rock, which was okay. Up here, I don't think I'll do it, but it is a really beautiful view, as you can probably see from behind me. So check that out. So I've made myself a friend, and as I said before, I met someone that brought a barbecue down here, which I think you're not really supposed to. You want to show us your chicken you've been cooking, mate?
Show us your chicken.
Now that looks good to me. Smoky, A little bit of burntness for flavour, but not too much. Do you have any idea why you're not supposed to have a fire down here on the beach?
He said you can't have a fire.
I thought there was a sign on the way in that said you're not allowed to have fires.
I saw a sign that said recreational barbecue area.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Well, sorry about that, guys. Possibly you can. I'm not sure if you're allowed to bring your own or if it's a recreational area somewhere up behind those trees that has barbecues. Oh, a bit of smoke. Pretty sure no one likes that. Oh. But yeah, I'm going to try my best and see if he'll give me a piece of chicken. You reckon I can have a piece of chicken, mate? Oh, what
you can have a piece of chicken.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, I got this.
Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. This has been a pandemic traveler video from Wattamolla Beach. If you have anything you'd like to ask, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that might be interested in watching my channel, please share it with them. Once again, Pandemic Traveler, peace out.